History is full of mysteries, but sometimes what we dig up from the ground creates more questions than answers. Get ready to have your mind blown as we count down some of the most astonishing archaeological finds that still leave experts scratching their heads. First up, the Antikythera mechanism. Discovered in a shipwreck off a Greek island, this intricate device is often called the world's first analog computer. Dating back over 2,000 years, its complex system of gears could predict astronomical positions and eclipses. How ancient civilizations achieved this level of mechanical engineering remains a profound puzzle. It's like finding a smartphone in a Roman ruin. Next, we have the Voynich manuscript. It's a book filled with strange illustrations and written in a language or code that no one, and I mean no one, has ever been able to decipher. Despite the best efforts of the world's top cryptographers and linguists, its contents and its purpose are a complete secret. Is it an ancient herbal guide, a secret alchemical text, or just the most elaborate hoax in history? The jury is still out. Then there are the Nazca lines in Peru. These giant geoglyphs, etched into the desert floor, depict animals, plants, and geometric shapes. They're so massive they can only be fully appreciated from the air. This begs the question, why did an ancient culture create these enormous drawings? And who were they intended for? Were they messages to gods in the sky? We just don't know. Let's journey to Turkey to see Göbekli Tepe. This site is over 12,000 years old, predating Stonehenge by a staggering 6,000 years. It features massive, carved stone pillars arranged in circles. What's baffling is that it was built by hunter-gatherers, a society we thought wasn't capable of such monumental construction. It completely rewrites what we know about early human civilization, suggesting organized religion might have come before agriculture. How about the Baghdad Battery? This set of 3 artifacts, a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod, was found near modern-day Baghdad. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it could produce a small electric current. Were ancient Mesopotamians experimenting with electricity 2,000 years ago? And if so, what for? Electroplating jewelry, early forms of medicine. It's an electrifying mystery. In Costa Rica, we find the giant stone spheres. There are hundreds of these almost perfectly round balls of rock, some weighing up to 16 tons. They range in size from a few centimeters to over 2 meters in diameter. No one knows for sure how they were made with such precision or what their purpose was. Were they astronomical markers, symbols of status, or giant ancient marbles? The mystery endures. Remember the terracotta army in China? Thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, each with a unique face, were buried to protect an emperor in the afterlife. The sheer scale and artistry are mind-boggling. But what is truly perplexing is how they managed to mass-produce these individual masterpieces over 2,000 years ago. The logistics and organization required are simply staggering. Let's not forget the underwater city of Yonaguni-jima in Japan. Divers found a massive stone structure that looks like a submerged pyramid with steps and terraces. Some experts believe it's a natural formation, a trick of geology, but others are convinced it's a man-made city lost to the sea. If it is man-made, its age could make it one of the oldest structures on Earth, a true lost civilization. Then there's the Longyu Grottos in China, a series of vast man-made caverns. They were carved by hand from solid rock. But here's the crazy part. There's no historical record of their construction, and not a single tool has ever been found. How did they remove millions of cubic meters of rock, and why? The uniform chisel marks on the walls only deepen the enigma. Finally, we have the Peary Race map, an early 16th century map that shockingly depicts the coast of Antarctica without ice. The problem is, Antarctica has been covered in ice for millions of years. How did a cartographer in 1513 have knowledge of this coastline? It's a question that has sparked countless theories, from ancient advanced civilizations to lost source maps from before the Ice Age. And we've barely scratched the surface. From the mysterious Moai statues of Easter Island to the perfectly preserved Tarim mummies with European features found in China, our planet is dotted with relics that defy easy explanation. Each discovery reminds us that the past is far more complex and mysterious than we can imagine. What do you think? Are these signs of lost technologies, ancient aliens, or simply human ingenuity that we've underestimated? Let us know your theories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending content. Thanks for watching.